All right, so here's my solution for increasing the turbulence inside of the shell. I'm working on shell 1 now with tube passes 1 and 3. And what I've got here are some stainless steel scrubbing pads. I got these off of Amazon for really cheap. In any case, there's 48 of these, so I'm going to put 24 in shell 1 and the other 24 here in shell 2. It's going to be kind of fun getting these things spaced out, but it doesn't matter that much, I don't think, as long as it increases the turbulence throughout the shell. So I'm going to try to put these things together now, and when I'm doing that, I'm also going to be gluing it together. So we'll see how this works. All right, so I figured out it's not the best solution to push the shell casing over the top of these. So what I'm going to use is basically a ramrod. I'm going to take a small 1/2-inch pipe for PVC pipe and put this in here. I see I've stretched it out a little bit so it'll fit a little better. And then I'm just going to use this to ram or push the steel wool pad down inside. So otherwise it just wouldn't go together. All right, so in order to get it in easily, I elongate it instead of making it squishy. I elongate it first and then push it in. I'm doing it one-handed, so give me a break here. And then I use the ramrod to push it in all the way. I'm going to cut out here and I'll show you the ramrod. All right, so here it is. And then all I end up doing is just pushing it in with a ramrod. And as you can see on one side, at the beginning it's really tight, but it loosens up as you go along. I'll push it on one side and then I'm going to switch it from this side to this side, back and forth until I get it down to the end. Okay, we got this running, and got a little bit of work to do with sealing up some of the leaks with some plumber putty, but it's coming out. It's cool to the touch. This is at room temperature. We've actually used a temperature probe and it's showing at about 80 degrees coming out. So we're at pitch and temp. So this 4-pass heat exchanger is working great. So this is the cleanup process for the new chiller. Basically got the detergent running through at this point. So I'm cleaning out the brew kettle and the pump, as well as the chiller. So once that's done, I'll run some sanitizer through it as well, using the sanitizer bucket, and then I'll just put it up and let it dry out on its own. I'll remove all of the hoses and let it dry out.